Hi there! Come follow us on the road and watch as Rez Refuge Community Center and Ft.Defiance Chapter House collaborate. On April 8th, both entities joined together with Gallup, New Mexico's very own Rehoboth Christian School's students as part of their National Honor Society service group. The students did an amazing job at assembling sanitation packages for the St. Mary's food distribution on April 12th. Rehoboth Christian School brought a total of 12 students with them for the assembly line. Rez Refuge appreciates the help of everyone who participated in the assembling of packages. Thank you to all the students involved from Rehoboth Christian School, from the freshman class to the upcoming graduating seniors of 2022. Items assembled in these bins included new face masks, rolls of toilet tissue paper, various bottles of hand sanitizers, and traditional hand soap. These supplies were provided on behalf of the Navajo Nation and Ft.Defiance Chapter House. By them being able to provide the work site and items to be assembled, Rez Refuge was able to coordinate to have the students involved in helping our local community for a faster and more energetic assembly line, which created a total of 298 bins to be distributed. On this perfect weather of a day, I would say we did a pretty great job for a successful distribution. Again, amazing work to all who were involved in creating the 298 packs. We appreciate you. Yay! St. Mary's Food Distribution Day, April 12th. On this cold day, Rez Refuge team members, along with Ft.Defiance Chapter House and partners, were able to distribute food packages by St. Mary's Food Bank and the sanitation bins which Rehoboth Christian School assembled days before. Awesome! We appreciate our Rez Refuge team for always showing support for their community. It is by the amazing teamwork of our group that we are able to have successful collaborations. Rez Refuge would like to thank everyone that made this collaborative effort possible. We look forward to more group opportunities in the future. For information on how to donate to Rez Refuge, please visit our website or view the information provided. For more on how to become involved in the food distributions or other volunteer opportunities, please feel free to contact our office during our operating hours at 928-729-2111.